Hello, and welcome to From Scraps to Soil. This is a space where children discover something extraordinary, that even the smallest things like a worm can create meaningful change. Here, what we often see as waste becomes life. Through observation, care, and hands-on experience, children begin to understand that everything in nature is connected, and that they are part of that cycle. Because when a child witnesses transformation, they are not only learning science, they are developing curiosity, respect, and a new way of seeing the world. This curriculum is an invitation to get our hands in the soil, to ask questions, and to learn alongside them. No prior experience is needed, just curiosity, presence, and a willingness to reconnect with nature. Because in the end, this is not just about composting, it is about transforming the way we see the earth.